Everyone, welcome to my channel MNK Official. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Kinemaster without watermark. First of all, I'll show you I'm using Kinemaster without any watermark. I'll add this, okay, and another video I'll add it from here. I added two video here. Let's go. This is the, I will save it now. Let me save this. Export. For exporting the video, there will be no watermark. So how to get this version of Kinemaster, I will show you from where you can get this Kinemaster. Right. I'm gonna play it like this. You can watch the video without any watermark. This is, you can see. So let me show you from where you can get this type of Kinemaster. First of all, you have to download this app, this AC Market, this one. So this app is not available on Play Store, so you have to go on Chrome. After clicking on Chrome, you have to search AC Market. AC Market APK file free download. So after clicking here, go down and click on this. After downloading this app from here, you have to install it, and after that you have to open it. I have installed this app, so I don't have to install again. Click on this. After opening the apps, click here to search Kinemaster. Click on this. Locate carefully here. You have to download, you have to change the version. You have to download last version, this version. This version will work. This version is only working. From this version you can work without any watermark. You have to select this and click on download. When you click here, download will be started here. After downloading the apps, you can use it without any watermark. If you can't find the Kinemaster here, so you can ask me. I have given my number in the description and in the video also, so you can get it from me. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you.